Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you what is a remove duplicate range activity in UiPath. So it is used to delete some duplicate records from Excel. So look at this sample Excel sheet of this employee details. Here you can see 15 records of employee details like employee ID, employee names and email ID and salary. So here I am going to copy the first records of these employee details and I'm going to paste it at last of these details. I'm going to delete these duplicate records from this Excel sheet using remove duplicate range activity from UiPath. Okay, so go to UiPath Studio, and if you want to perform any operation in Excel sheet, you need to use this Excel application scope activity. So inside this you need to provide the path of the workbook. So click on this folder icon and provide the path employees data. So now you can just simply use remove duplicate range activity, and here you need to provide the sheet name of the Excel sheet. Let me delete this and I will just copy this sheet name inside these quotations. And one more thing you should remember is you must provide the range of Excel sheet in this field. So within quotations I am going to remove duplicates from A1 to D21. Okay, so I need to give all this range from A1 to D21, and it is going to remove duplicates from each column. Like from employee ID it will remove duplicates from 1 to 5, and from employee's name it will delete duplicates of names from Smith to Arjun, and emails and salary. Okay, so I will give A1 and D21. So inside quotations A1 is to D21. So okay, and now I will run this process. Now you can see in this Excel sheet from duplicate values have removed from this Excel sheet. And what if you want to delete only employee names columns? So let me copy 5 records and I am going to paste it here. So now I am going to show you an task. Like if you want to delete only email ID of duplicates, you can simply just give the range as from C1 to C21, so that it will check the duplicates only from this range only. So I will give the range as C1 is to C21. Okay, so then it will delete only email IDs of employees. So go to UiPath Studio and I will change this range to C1 to C21. Run this process. So task is done, and open our document. So now you can see it have removed only employee IDs of duplicate values. So this is how to use remove duplicate range activity in UiPath. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like my video.